Hello and welcome back to my second video on this channel. Today I will teach you how to do photogrammetry using your iPhone. There are a lot of different apps to use out there, but a lot of them cost money or are restricted. I would recommend using Kiri Engine because it's free and you can export it for free. To download Kiri Engine, just open the App Store and search for Kiri Engine. Once you've downloaded the app, you need to create an account using your email. You can use a temporary email like temp-mail.org. After you've signed up, click on the big plus, then click Take Photos. Give access to the camera and start scanning. I would recommend taking up to 70 pictures because it's the maximum that you can take with a free account. When you're done taking the pictures, click on the arrow, then give your model a name, choose a format you want to export to, then let it upload, and then you wait till it's done processing. After your model has done processing, you can click on it to download it, and after that you can see your finished model. As you can see, my model is pretty good. To export it, click on the arrow again, then choose a method of exporting. I would recommend using free export coupons due to the fact that they refill every week, so you can export 4 models per week. After that, you only need to type in an email which you want your model to be sent to. Thank you for watching my video, and please follow my Sketchfab account, which is linked in the description.